emails. Okay. Now coming to the topic, that is World Wide Web. So after email, the next most widely services on the internet, that is World Wide Web, or you can say WWW, which is usually referred to as web. Okay. So WWW begins as a project by Tim Berners-Lee at the Physics Research Center at CERN in Geneva. Okay. So we have to understand that what are the software component in it. So the service consists of web client requesting file from the web server using the web browser software. The process is called browsing or surfing of the web. The web server are actually responsible for storing, retrieving and distributing the request on the web files. Okay. So another thing is that here is very important one is addressing. Okay, and URL. URL, like you are having this example, what is URL? http://www.yahoo.com. Okay, this is used to locate a particular website on the web. Usually domain name is server used for the World Wide Web begins with www. So hence the server name is www appears as a subdomain at the beginning of the domain name. Okay, however the use of the www is actually not compulsory. You can omit it and directly write this domain name. Okay, if you want to go to particular website. Okay. So now what are actually the uses of this World Wide Web? Okay. So now webmail services, that it is the most widely used services on the internet. Webmail account holder can send and view the mails. Okay. Number 2, web search engine services, that is very important. It is a services used for searching the information from the World Wide Web and FTP server. Okay. Number 3, that is use the web for socializing. Social networking services is online services that helps the building of a social relationship among the people who are sharing the common interest. Number 4 is very important one, your familiar term, that is a blogging. A blog is a personal website like a diary or journal. A person usually creates a blog. A question will come, what is blog? Okay, it's a blog to share one's thought on particular subject. Okay. Now, use of a web doing businesses, buying and selling product, e-commerce especially use this one. Now booking railway tickets and airway tickets also we are using this. Okay. Now coming to the next topic, that is the web browser. While we are discussing the WWW World Wide Web, we are keep on using the term web browser. Okay. So what actually this? Okay. So an information browsing servers allow an individual to conveniently obtain and display the information stored on a remote computer. Okay, this services uses client server architecture. Already you know what is a client server architecture. Okay, so what actually are the features of the web server? So why we are using it? Okay, so interface. The web first feature is interface. Okay, I'm writing the features also. That is, first one is interface. Okay, so interface of web browser use a graphical point and click interface. Okay, it has a toolbar button providing the view and navigating through the document. Okay, stopping a downloading process or for manually refreshing and all, you can do that. Next one it is having, that is number 1 is this one. Number 2 is having page style. Okay, page style, a web file can be static, containing the ASCII text, ASCII2, that is formatted using HTML, or can be a dynamic interactive one scripting. Okay, number 3 one is very important, that is called protocol. protocol. Okay, the web browser use TCP/IP protocol to reliable data transfer across the internet, and HTTP to access the web server and download the HTML file. And the fourth feature, you can say application integration. That is fourth point. I'm writing APP only. Integration. So, other internet software such as email, news or chat application can also be run from the web browser. Okay. So, this is all actually this type of question will come in a short, write a short note on web browser, or what is web browser, give example. Like this it will come. Okay. So, these are the part. Now we are going forward to another one, that is the search engine. Okay, so everybody is familiar with the term that is the search engine. The internet, you can say it is a warehouse of information. So it is a huge task if the user has to manually search the internet for some information. A better option is an automated search that can be used to find this information. So a search engine is actually a software that used to do such an automated search. So you are using the pretty well-known search engine is Google. You are typing and it will give you the answer. So if you have to search it manually, then think, so what will be the time it is required. So we are blessed, or we are saved. Okay, so that we having a search engine that behalf of us what we needed. From everywhere it is gathering information and it is giving us. So the search engine is a software that is used to do such automated search. Okay, so there are few components, or you can say is there in the search engine. Okay, so three basic components are there. Three basic components. First one is actually the crawler. Okay, crawler. This software programs that automatically scan the website for URLs, keywords and links. Okay, actually this is actually collecting the what you are put in the information in the search bar. They will find out this. We will find out the similarity in the different URLs and give you that. Next one is the index. Okay, so index is the depending of the website scan. They will prepare the list and then it will show. And search algorithm, third one is actually search algorithm. Okay, so the user enters a search, the search engine uses a special algorithm for the searching as well as the indexing. Okay, so these three are the main components of this search engine. Now coming to the type of the search engine. Okay, so that is one is the search engine is having the crawler based. Number 2 is a directory based one. Number 3 is a hybrid search engine, and number 4 are the meta search engine. Do not need to learn about right now the types. Only just this much of types are there. Okay. Now coming to the advantage part. So it enables to quick search the vast amount of information from the search box. Number 2, the searches on the specific type or piece of information is possible, and different type of search engines enables to look for the specific type of document. These three are actually the advantage of using the search engine. Okay. Now coming, what are the disadvantage? So create information overloads, because too many options it will give you. Don't know. You have to find which is important one and which is according to your taste or criteria. Cementing search is not possible. Privacy and security is one of the concern and makes everyone too dependent. Okay, these are actually the drawbacks.